Every custom build has a special story behind it when it comes to the customer, overall experience, where they're from, what they do, the interaction, and overall scenario. Behind me, Isaiah sold an amazing Akins Ford F450 Platinum Plus Reserve Edition leveled on 35s to a great pastor in Greensboro, North Carolina. Let's go. A stunning rendition leveled on 35s with just subtle paint additions that make all the difference. The grille up front, a gate black, satin on the Ford emblem up front. That looks amazing. If that was all a gate black, it wouldn't flow near as nice. We've got a little bit of a separation there, showcasing that Ford script with a satin surround. That looks incredible. We're gonna trimmer valance down below. I am down with them not painting much more on this truck because of the wheel and tire combo and overall feel of the truck. We got KG1s in 22-inch fashion. The gloss black and milled is so dialed in. That's why I'm cool with it, because we got chrome and brushed aluminum accents throughout. It ties in so nicely. Did paint the 6.7 power stroke on the side, satin and a gate black to match. Keeping the texture on the side badge and mirror works so well too. Side bed step, just a surround only, a gate black that looks very good. Not doing the step, I'm cool with that, because this takes a lot of the trauma from debris and stuff from the bottom of the tire, so painting that is kind of more problematic, especially if you don't add paint protection film or ceramic. Luckily this truck does have 10 years System X ceramic throughout the entire truck, like glass. Mason at NGL Detailing got this thing dialed in. A black truck, really, it is a must to do a ceramic coat or paint protection film. Protect that investment, y'all. Now out back, we are rocking for the greatest country in all of the world, one nation under God. As I mentioned, our customer's husband and wife, a pastor in Greensboro, North Carolina. They have their own YouTube channel too. Check it out, y'all. And meeting them for the first time today, the first thing they told me was it made a huge difference that I showcased and talked about things of this world that I loved, but that I also talked about the things not of this world that mean everything to me, that set my foundation and purpose for why I do and how I do what I do every single day. Christ is King. He died on the cross for us all. The price has already been paid, y'all, and that makes me who I am today. It's not customizing and dealing with this stuff. Of course, that helps build me up and give me the swag that I've got, because custom is greater than stock, and we build some really cool units for you all, but that's not where all of the joy comes from. The joy comes from the Holy Spirit, y'all. Perfect money side shot right here. Again, I told y'all in prior videos, running 35s, we need to do it more often because it still looks nice and balanced out and proportional with this truck. And then so many customers, we just don't educate them well enough on which they should run, 35 or 37. We kind of stuff 37s down everybody's throat too often, because I guess that's what we tend to run the most often. But 35s is still 2 inches taller than factory, and it still looks amazing and gets the job done. And entry and exit is easier, along with just daily driving this truck is going to be more of a convenience on 35s versus 37s. A nice subtle matte black FX4 off-road right there, just enough, just right. And I love the American flag on the center glass right there too. Go America, along with a Retrax retractable bed cover. The only fitting bed cover for F450 to me is the retractable style, and the Retrax leading the way. Hanging out, we got the Fox 2.5 Performance Series shocks. I love the bigger diameter overall. It's just a more fitting shock for this application. And also take notice, airbags in the rear. Pulling that Brinkley fifth wheel coming up soon. Gonna have all the confidence in the world. Rolling nice and leveled in the F450. Read these mud flaps a few times. I love the nice American flag out back and the distressed look, matte black and silver look. It matches the truck perfectly. Especially pulling a nice new fifth wheel camper behind here. It is important, y'all, to put some mud flaps right here in this area, because you are going to get a lot of debris and dirt slinging on anything that's back in this area. So mud flaps, the way to go. These have good overall clearance and coverage. And now, of course, our mild to wild scale on the KG1s is slightly past the mid-level range. We're sticking out a good 3.5 to 4 inches. But again, that width and stance really makes the 35s flow and look balanced out. I think this truck is so perfect. Matching emblem out back too. KG1s coming on strong. Of course, so many great wheel options out there, but something about the KG1, their milling and their overall wheel spoke design, I am truly loving it. Of course, tire selection, 35, 12.5, 22. Another benefit of running 22s is doing a 12.5 wide tire. If you went to a 24, of course, on a 35, it wouldn't have a good ride quality characteristic. So 35 on 22, 12.5 wide, money's set up on the Recon grappler, true all-terrain tire. Customers previously had ridge grapplers, which is a phenomenal tire, but they're going to see better longevity and a slightly smoother ride overall on the Recon grappler all-terrain. Customers and I just got through doing a little interview with Mr. Brad Akins. That was amazing right there. Just learning more about our customers really adds to our experience. It really builds us up as well because we get to hear from and learn about our customers' perspective and just making new friends, y'all. That's what it's all about. Connecting with great people. Suspension-wise, simplistic with a 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring level kit, the Fox 2.5 Performance Series. Shocks nice and beefy and substantial. Give us a perfect leveled stance overall. No mods in the back besides the shocks and airbags on 35s and 22s. I promise you all, I'm going to show you more of trucks just like this. So many of you all, this is exactly what you need to. Looking great.
For truck security, use this app and shut down the truck. Yeah, anywhere it is, you can.
Just super clean. Not overdone, very tasteful. A little bit of paint to tie in with the KG ones. Yes, sir. Great folks. Warriors for Christ.